Hey guys, quick tutorial on how to set up Zapier to Google Sheets with SheetLayer. First, click Create a Zap. In general, most of these integration services work the same way, so you can kind of set them up the same way. The first step is a webhook. We want to do a catch hook. Click Continue. Okay, we want to copy this link and go to cheatlayer.com/bot, paste the link in here, and then click Submit. And what this will do is you're going to have to reinstall the extension or install the extension after doing this, but it will replace the GPT-3 generated URLs for Google Sheet with your correct URL automatically, so you don't have to do it, edit any code. So let's test that. You'll need to reinstall, so we'll probably have to paste it in when we do it. And so it has my old URL of Pably because I didn't reinstall, but all you have to do is change that there. And then click Run just to test it. And go back here and click Test Trigger, and it looks like it's got the test data. So click Continue. The next step is Google Sheets, but you can of course do anything else that Zapier has, and you can imagine the unlimited potential you have with automating your business when connecting SheetLayer and Zapier. So what we're going to do is create a spreadsheet row here. We'll have to link your account. I've already linked mine. Select your Google Drive. Select any spreadsheet. We already have this one open. And then it'll give you the fields where you can enter the test data. So let's just do it this way. Okay. And let me clear this just so that you can see what's going on. Okay, it looks like it sent test data, and then what we want to do is enable the Zap. This part's important. Cool. Alright, now let's test it. And there we go. It is still sending data to Google Sheets, and it just finished. So it basically ran the code that we ran on our page, collecting all the links on the page, send it to Google Sheets. Something we generated with GPT-3 without editing any code, and all you needed to do was click and enter your Zapier integration URL. So that's how you set up Zapier. In other videos, we'll have tutorials on how to set up Pably, Integrately, and IFTTT, so stay tuned. Thank you.